Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing very well. Here in this session, we are going to cover Python installation. How to install Python on your system, we are going to discuss about it. Step by step, I am going to execute in front of you and you have to observe the steps. And if you want, you can also simultaneously do the task with me. So let's start. Step number one is you need to open the browser, right? And as you know that you can have any browser, my Mozilla Firefox, Safari, Chrome, etc., etc. I am having Chrome, and you need to type here python.org, python.org, right? So this is the official website of Python community, as you can see. So after opening the browser, you need to type there python.org, right? Step number two is you need to figure out download option there. And in download option, we are going to see here, it is downloads. And here the latest version will be there. This is Python 3.11.1. You need to click here, download for Windows. By default, automatically it detects that my system is Windows and I am installing it. Latest version 3.11.1, right? And I am saving it, right? So step number two was download. You download the latest version of Python from download section. From download section, as you can see that you can observe download section here, and from this download section you can easily download it. And thereafter you need to open it and install it. When you are going to open it, your installation will start, right? So you need to open it. Step number three is open and starts installation process. So basically you need to open and start installation process. For that I am going to discuss one by one step. Here add Python exe2 path. You have to click right on it and you need to click customize installation. Thereafter some optional features are there like documentation, pip, right? Ideally Python test suite, Python launcher, py launcher. And for all users we have to maintain all these clicks because this will be helpful for your future purposes. Documentation will help you to read the Python documentation file. Pip is going to helpful for installing some more Python packages and ideally will help you to code your Python program. And Python test suite and py launcher and many other features are there which you have to keep right so that next time onwards you can use all that functions. Here install Python 3.11 for all users, click on it, and here it is your path. In C drive program files Python 3.11, right? This is path. If you want to change this path, by clicking on browse, and you can choose suitable particular disk or particular folder also, right? But as of now I am installing in that path. Now you can have to give permission here. I am giving the permission and the setup progress is started, right? The setup process is started. So let's, it is very fast process, so you can just wait a bit of time, and we are going to see that after that how to test it and how to work on it, right? So it is installing because all the documentations, pip is right, and ideally and all the features that we have clicked there, all are extracting and installing, all are in the process, right? So you can do the same task. So I hope it is going to work, right? Yeah. Guys, do like the video, subscribe the channel as well if you find the video useful, so that in future work also we are going to do some more creativity and going to helpful for help with you. And for many technical features, like we are going to plan many technical videos for you, right? So if you are liking, enjoying it, then just subscribe, Meanwhile, you can also comment and you can ask your doubts, queries, any suggestions are there, you can do, right? Meanwhile, the setup progress is there, right? So you can do this task, right? Okay, pre-compiling, and I hope that within seconds it is going to set up, right? Yeah, few bit second more. Right, I hope that it is going to work finally. Few more seconds, yeah. And after that, just close it. After that, just close it. Now, what you need to do, you can just visit the particular folder, C drive, and you can see the program files. You can visit the Python 3.11 there, and for that, you just can go to the command prompt and you can check whether Python, right? You just check whether it is successfully uh, executed or not, right? So what I am doing, okay, Python version, so you can see that, okay, Python is spelling, okay, no problem. You just do Python space hyphen and thereafter version, right? So yeah, just silly mistake, right? No problem. Now you can see that the latest version 3.11.1 whose release was this, which we have observed on the website, is completely installed and you can start your work. Let's say if you want to print, then you can start executing your programs. Let's say my name is PROF Rahul Jain, right? And let's run it. So, okay, that's just a syntax error here. So you can see that the output is there, right? So it is working fine. And this is how you have to install and you have to check that whether your Python version is working or not, right? So I hope that this session is going to be useful for you. Meanwhile, many other things are there which we are going to cover in the rest part, right? Till then, you just set up the Python and relax and enjoy the process. Thank you so much, guys. Have a very nice day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.